The Kama Bay Lookout is a breathtaking roadside stop that offers visitors a panoramic view of Lake Superior and the surrounding rugged wilderness. Located along Highway 17 between Nipigon and Terrace Bay in Ontario, this scenic lookout is perched high above Kama Bay, providing an unforgettable vantage point to soak in the sheer expanse of the largest freshwater lake in the world. As you pull into the wayside rest area, you'll notice the peaceful atmosphere, with the lookout offering a perfect break for travelers exploring the northern shore of Lake Superior. From the viewing platform, you're greeted with a sweeping vista of deep blue waters framed by towering cliffs and forested hills. The rocky outcrops add a dramatic touch, plunging into the pristine lake below, where you can sometimes spot small islands dotting the horizon. On clear days, the distant view of the Sleeping Giant, an iconic rock formation near Thunder Bay, might be visible. The surrounding boreal forest, with its mix of evergreens and deciduous trees, creates a scenic contrast to the vibrant waters of Lake Superior, especially in the fall when the landscape is painted in warm hues of red, orange, and gold. During my visit, I met Vancouver artist Alec Blair, who was peacefully sketching the awe-inspiring view. His detailed and expressive work captures the essence of Kama Bay and the beauty of Lake Superior's shoreline. For more information about his painting, be sure to check out the video description. The lookout is equipped with informational plaques that provide insight into the local geography, history, and ecology, enriching your experience with the stories of the land. The fresh air and tranquility at Kama Bay make it an ideal spot to relax, stretch your legs, and take in the unparalleled beauty of Ontario's North Shore. Whether you're stopping for a short break or to capture the perfect photograph of Lake Superior's majestic shoreline, the Kama Bay Lookout is a must-visit stop on any road trip along the Trans-Canada Highway.